प्यारे बच्चों, सफल चैनल पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज के लेक्चर में अपन देखेंगे दोस इक्वेशंस which do not appear as linear equation but they can be reduced to what? Linear equation. That means those equations which are reducible to what? Linear equations in two variables. So this topic we are going to see with the help of examples. So let's look at the first problem. Solve the following pair of equations. Now as it is, if you see, it does not appear that it's a linear equation, because for linear equation the power of variables would be what? 1. Here I can see power of variable is not 1. Basically if you write, it is 6x power minus 1 minus 5 y power minus 1 equals what? 22. So as is, it is not appearing as linear equation in two variable, but it can be reduced to what? Linear equation in two variable easily. So let's see how we can do so. So what I'm going to do is, this is first equation for me and this is second equation for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a substitution. So replace 1 by x equals u and 1 by y equals what? V. So I am going to replace 1 by x equals what? U and 1 by y equals v in equation 1 and 2. Okay. So now what will happen? The first equation will become 6u minus 5v equals 22, and second equation will become 5u plus 4v equals what? 2. So this I am going to call it as 3 and this I am going to call it as 4. Now if you see equation 3 and 4, they are what? Linear equation in two variables, and the variables are u and v. So this two equation I can solve by any of the three algebraic method which we have studied. So I am going to make use of elimination method. So what I am going to do, equation 3 I am going to multiply by what? 4. So equation 3 I am going to multiply by 4. So 4 6 are 24. So 24u, then 4 5s are 20v. So 20v, and 22 into 4 is what? 88. Similarly, equation 4 I am going to multiply by what? 5. So what will happen? The coefficient of v in both the equation will become same. So 5 5s are 25. So 25u, and then plus 20v, and 5 2s are what? 10. Now this two equation I can simply what? Add. So if I'll add 24u and 25u, I'll get 49u. This two will get cancelled, and here 88 plus 10 is what? 98. So u is going to be 98 by 2. So 98 by 49. So 98 by 49, which is basically what? 2. So the value of u is 2. Now u I can replace in what? Equation 3. So using u equals 2 in equation what? 3. So 6 into 2 minus 5 into v equals what? 22. So minus 5v equals 22. Now 6 2s are 12. It will come this side. So minus 12. So what I'll get? So this will give me, I can write it here. So minus 5v equals 10. So v equals what? 10 by minus 5, which is minus 2. Now u is basically 1 by x. So 1 by x equals what? U. So this implies 1 by x. Now u value we have got how much? 2. So this is 2. So effectively x becomes 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly 1 by y we have taken it as what? V, and the value of v is what? Minus 2. So I'll get y equals what? Minus 1 by 2. So the value of x is 1 by 2 and the value of y is what? Minus 1 by 2. So we can see that this equation was not appearing as linear equation in two variable, but we have reduced to linear equation in two variable and then we have solved. So what you have to think of is proper substitution. Okay, so let me take the next question. Solve the following pair of equation: 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals minus 1. So this question I have taken from NCERT. So again, this I can call it as first equation, this I can call it as second equation. So what substitution I can make use here? So I am going to replace 1 by root x, 1 by root x equals u, and 1 by root y equals what? V, in equation 1 and 2. So both equation I am going to do this replacement. So what will happen? First equation will become 2u plus 3v equals what? 2. Let me call this as equation 3. And second equation will become 4u minus 9v equals what? Minus 1. So let me call this as 4. So now 3 and 4 are linear equation in two variables, the variable being u and v. So I can solve by elimination. So what I am going to do is multiply equation 3 by what? 3. So equation 3 I am multiplying by 3. So what will happen? Coefficient of v will become 9v, right? And equation 4 already minus 9v we have. So 3 to the 6u I will get plus 9v and again 6. Okay, so this I am calling it as 5. So adding 4 and 5. So adding equation 4 and 5. So what will happen? 4u and 6u, that is 10u, minus 9v plus 9v, that will become 0, and 6 and minus 1, so that's plus 5. So u is becoming 5 by 10, so which is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 I can put anywhere in equation 3 and or maybe 4. So I am going to put it in 3. So using u equals 1 by 2 in equation what? 3. So 2 times of 1 by 2 plus 3v equals what? 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So 3v equals 2 minus 1, which is basically 1. So v I'll get it as what? 1 by 3. Now what I have taken is 1 by root x as what? U. Okay. Now value of u is what? 1 by 2. So this implies 1 by root x equals 1 by 2. So from here I can say that root x is what? 2. And if root x is 2, so x should be what? 4. Okay. Squaring both sides. Similarly, we know that 1 by root y is what? V. And v is what? That is 1 by 3. So here we have root y. So this is 1 by 3. So this will give me root y equals 3. So squaring both sides, I'll get y equals what? 9. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is what? 9. So आप देख रहे हैं proper substitution आपने करना है. अगर substitution आपने proper किया, then you can make use of any of the 3 algebraic methods to solve the equations. So let's take up the next question. So this is a very standard question, and generally this kind of question they ask in board exam too. So here also, if you watch carefully, we can make use of replacement 1 by x plus y as a new variable and 1 upon x minus y as another new variable. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me call this as 1 and this is what? 2. So replace 1 upon x plus y equals what? U, and 1 upon x minus y equals what? V. So what I'll get? I'll get 10u plus 2v equals 4. So this I can call it as equation 3. The second one I'll get 15u minus 5v equals what? minus 2. So this I can call it as 4. So now I can make use of any of the known method to find the value of what? U and V. So I can see that here I have plus sign, here minus sign. So let's make the coefficient of V same in both the equation. So what I'm going to do, equation 3 I'm going to multiply by 5. So this will give me 50U plus 10V equals 20, and equation 4 I'm going to multiply by 2. So 2 15s are 30, so 30U and minus 10V equals what? Minus 4. So let me call this as 5 and this as 6. So adding 5 and 6. So if I'll add equation 5 and 6, so what will happen? 50U plus 30U, that's 80U, plus 10V minus 10V will get cancelled. Right hand side 20 and minus 4 will give me what? 16. So the value of U is 16 by 80, so which is basically 1 by 5. Now 1 by 5 I can use in any of equation 3 and 4 to make or to calculate the value of what? V. So using U equals 1 by 5 in equation 3. So 10 times of 1 by 5 plus 2V equals what? 4. So here 5 2s are basically 10. So I'll get 2V equals 4 minus 2. So which is basically 2. Correct? So V I'll get it as what? 2 by 2, which is 1. Now we know that what we have taken 1 by x plus y as U. So 1 by x plus y, and the value of U is what? 1 by 5. So this will give x plus y equals what? 5. Similarly 1 upon x minus y we have taken it as what? V. So this gives me 1 upon x minus y equals 1. So x minus y equals what? 1. So now this I can call it as equation 7 and this I can call it as 8. So I can see that if I'll add equation 7 and 8, what will happen? Plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x is 2x, so 2x equals 6. So this will give me x equals 3. Now using x equals 3 in equation 7, so what I'll get? 3 plus y equals 5. So this gives me value of y as what? 2. So the value of x is going to be 3 and the value of y is going to be what? 2. So maybe the question will be long, but if you do the proper substitution, it will be easy for you to do. So let's take up one more question, the last question of this session. Solve the following pair of equations. So here also you can see that it does not appear that both the equations are what? Linear equation in two variable. Basically here if you see degree is 2, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So this also what I am going to do is I am dividing both the equations by xy. So both the equations I am dividing by what? Xy. So the first one will become 6x by xy, that is 6 by y. Then 3y by xy, so 3 by x equals what? 6. So let me call it as first equation. The second one 2x by xy, so that becomes 2 by y, and 4x by xy, that is 4 by x, and 5xy by xy, so that becomes 5. So this I am going to call it as 2. So now this kind of question we saw just now. So what I am going to do here is 1 by x I am going to put it as u, and 1 by y I am going to put it as v. 1 by I am going to put it as v. So what will happen? I'll get 6v plus 3u equals 6 and 2v plus 4u equals what? 5. So let me call this equation as 3 and this as 4. So now I can see that if I multiply equation 4 by what? 3. So the coefficient of v I can make it as what? 6. So equation 4 I am going to multiply by what? 3. So 3 2 is 6. So 6v plus 3 4 is 12. So 12u and 3 5 is what? 15. So let me call this as equation 5. Now what I am going to do? I am going to subtract 3 from 5. So equation 5 and equation 3. So 3 I am subtracting from what? 5. So 6v plus 12u, that is left hand side of 5, minus 6v plus 3u, that is left hand side of 3, and here I will have 15 minus 6. So what will happen? This 6v and 6v will get cancelled, and 12 minus 3u, that's 9u, and here I will have 9 only. So this will give me the value of u as 9 by 9, which is basically 1. Now using u equals 1 in equation 3, so what I'll get? 6v plus 3u, that is 3 into 1, equation equals 6. So 6v equals 6 minus 3, that's 3. So this will give me v equals what? 3 by 6, which is basically 1 by 2. So from here now I can see that 1 by x is u. So this will give me 1 by x as what? 1. So the value of x is going to be 1 unit, and 1 by y is v, and v we have got it as what? 1 by 2. So this will give me the value of y as what? 2. So x is going to be 1 and y is going to be what? 2. Okay. So this way you can easily do the question where you need to reduce a given equation in linear equation in 2 variables. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much for watching Safal. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.